For it says in the Bible, uh, First Peter chapter 1, verses 13 through 16, where it says, "Therefore, which minds that are alert and fully sober, set your hope on the grace to be brought to you when Jesus Christ is revealed at his coming. As obedient children, do not conform to the evil desires that you had when you lived in ignorance, but just as he who called us holy, so be holy in all you do. For it is written, be holy because I am holy." It's hard to be holy, but we should try to be holy. Try to strive. It's hard, so hard. But if we strive to be holy, things can be better. Just a little bit, at least just a little bit. This thing's growing constantly worse as we get toward the end of time. Like it says, so in the days of Noah, still should have been in, and it's biblical. So, um, people strive to be holy, and it can be a great revolution. Definitely.